I'm giving you a tour of my hotel room in Las Vegas. So first we have this entrance. Then we have my family sitting here. My dad, my mom, my chateau, and my masi. And their kid Augustia here playing. And we have the kitchen with a fridge and a, like stove, microwave, a bunch of drawers, sink, and then this is like a dryer, laundry thing, and then we're gonna go to this room. So we have the master bed, and then we have this side with my mom's phone, the Apple Watch charger, and this other wire. We have a TV here. We have this couch and this amazing view with Polo Towers, the Grand Hotel, bunch of other things I can't fit, MGM. There's a Gucci over there. And yeah, there's also Aria. There's this beautiful painting. And now it's time for the bathroom. So there are 2 sinks. There is a mirror. There it is. And another bathroom. Him again. I guess, yeah. And a double faucet shower. Like, can you believe it? Ignore the background noise.
I'm just going to pee.
Okay. And this big bathtub, too. And this towel, too. Toilet. Another painting. Now it's the other bathroom. And now it's this closet with a mirror, suitcases and bags, hangers, nothing interesting much.
Mr.
Him again.
There's a bathroom.
A stroller here for him, a fire extinguisher, and a laundry board, an iron. By the way, this is a Grand Marriott Hotel dining table. This is the other bedroom. Another painting. These 2 beds. And another view. Loads mess. The side table and the decorations for up there. And in here, there are just a couple hangers and some pillows. Nothing down here. So now, this bathroom. There's this sink. This is a normal bathroom, not a master bathroom. Say hi to yourself. Toilet, bathtub with a shower mat, and basically that's it. So there's also a TV here and a couch here, and like a few couches here too. And I think that's it. So that's gonna wrap it up. So guys, I hope you like this thing. I just made it up like 2 seconds ago. Not okay, fine. So I hope you like this video. So I hope you like the Grand Marriott Hotel in Las Vegas. So bye.